What's up guys, Justin Barcia. We're here at 4 Wheel Parts. Got my Ford Ranger here. We're gonna get it built out for Supercross. We're doing KMC Wheels. We're getting a little lift on it. It's gonna be looking clean, good for the races. I'm so stoked to see what it looks like.
Justin chose KMC Technic wheels in satin black, paired with Nitto Ridge grappler tires for a rugged performance combo. The Readylift 3-inch SST Lift kit will help improve ground clearance and off-road performance.
You have to understand how things
Morimoto XB LED headlights and fog lights will improve visibility across any terrain. Gorilla 12 by 1.5 black lug nuts add a sleek finishing touch. With the help of the team at 4 Wheel Parts, Justin's Ford Ranger is now equipped to tackle any terrain with confidence and style. Stay tuned for more exciting builds and upgrades from 4 Wheel Parts.